can I get for you two today?
I would like the yellow fin tuna, please, with a glass of white wine.
Sounds good. And for you?
I would like the oysters, please.
Welcome to a lesson about oyster reefs in Australia. Now, eating oysters isn't bad, but let's make sure you know the whole picture before choosing them as your next meal.
When English colonists first settled in Australia, they had trouble establishing agriculture in the new land. They soon turned to the sea to support their growing populations.
In order to harvest oysters quickly, fishermen use dredges. Dredges are cage-like shovels dragged against the ocean floor, scraping up and capturing the oysters.
But these dredges did much more than remove the oysters. They broke up and removed important oyster habitat, leaving the ocean floor barren.
Extensive dredge farming kept oysters from reproducing, leading the oyster reefs in Australia to cover just 1% of their pre-colonial extent.
Okay, so why does this matter? Oyster reefs provide a variety of ecosystem services that help and support the local and commercial fisheries.
So oysters are filter feeders. As they filter through the ocean water, they help with the filtration and the denitrification of the ocean water. They act as the kidneys of the waterways surrounding the city.
As oysters feed, they also ingest microplastics. Ingesting microplastics is not great for them. However, this can actually help humans monitor microplastic pollution in Australia and worldwide.
So what can be done to make these oysters recover? There are two potential solutions.
So the first is to restrict harvesting and let the oysters recover on their own. However, oysters need suitable substrate to settle.
And most of the favorable substrate was removed along with the oysters. So that will not work in a short-term solution because we've not seen the reef recoveries.
The other option is the construction of artificial reef systems to help catalyze oyster recovery. Research has shown that limestone is the next best alternative to promote new oyster settlement. Man-made limestone reefs may be our best option to help increase oyster population.
As reef projects are proposed, we need to make sure that enough research is done to ensure that the reef restoration is as effective as possible.
We hope that you learned a thing or two about the history, importance, and future of oyster reefs. Make sure to be mindful of the story of the oyster reefs, or you may end up like him.
Just,